I've been working at a cafe, but COVID shut it down and I haven't been able to find work. I decided to try Uber and was doing okay, just getting by week to week, till I lent my car to a mate and he accidentally ran into a gutter. It was going to cost me $1,400 to fix, which I definitely don't have. So not only was I struggling to pay my bills, but now the car I was using to get by was out. I heard about this payday loan app to get short-term loans, so I thought I'd give it a go. It was so easy I couldn't believe it. It's more or less the same as the Dominoes pizza app. Like, when you apply for the money, it's like, this is where your application is at. Like it's being reviewed. It's there, this many hours until it will be processed. The payday loan app is so similar to ordering a Dominoes pizza, it's actually quite terrifying now that I think of it. But it is better than dealing with banks that are kind of intimidating. But it was still really easy to get into too much trouble and too much debt. Really, I do not think they should have allowed to lend me so much money, as I had no way to pay it back, but I was desperate.